Hey, what's up everybody? Brian here from the How We Cruise channel, and it is the day before cruise day. So Brian and I are running around doing some errands, and one of the errands that we're doing is we're stopping by the bank, because even though everything's digital nowadays and you got your credit cards and your Venmo and your Bitcoin and all that other stuff, when you're on a cruise ship and you're in a foreign country, cash is king. So we always make sure we have some cash with us when we go on a cruise. So what do you need cash for on a cruise? So one of the things you need cash for is tips. Now, you can prepay your gratuities, and there's lots of ways to do that depending on what cruise line you're going on. So some of the cruise ships will actually allow you to prepay these gratuities and actually have that money taken out of your account before you go on board. We will be going on Royal Caribbean's Oasis of the Seas, and what Royal Caribbean does is they charge you $14.50 per day per person, and they'll add that to your account daily while you're on the ship. But also you can ask for that to be removed and say, I would prefer to tip those people that I feel appropriate with cash. So we like to do a little bit of both. We leave those tips on, but then we also provide cash tips for excellent service. So we're gonna get a little bit of cash for our room steward, we're gonna get a little bit of cash for our main waiter and our assistant waiter, and then any bartenders or porters that we come across along the way. Check out our other video where we talk about tipping cruise porters, as that was a topic that was discussed on several channels. What else do you need cash for? Now, we like to bring cash if we're going to use it in the casino, because you can use your shipboard account for casino cash. However, it's very easy to overdraw your account when you do that, and it's easy to get involved on that slot machine or at that craps table and spend more than you're planning on. So we like to bring cash just for that, just to make sure that we are under control on that. So that's your shipboard stuff that you need your cash for. What else do you need cash for on a cruise? The islands. Okay, we're going on this cruise, we're going to be going to Nassau, Bahamas, and what we think we're going to do is we think we're just going to kind of explore on our own when we get there. So in order to do that, we're going to probably grab a taxi, or maybe go to a restaurant or a beach or something like that. We'll hit up the straw market in Nassau probably, and these are places where cash is definitely the right mechanism to pay for your enjoyment there, because it's just a lot easier, and a lot of times you can actually get a really good deal if you're paying cash, and some of the places only accept cash. So we're going to stop at the bank. We're going to be pulling in just a second here, and we're going to make sure we have enough cash. And what we're going to do is we're going to break that up. We're not just going to bring a whole bunch of 20s. You can go to different places on the ship, like the casino, and exchange larger bills for smaller bills. But we like to do that in advance and carry those smaller bills with us to make sure we have those $1 bills and those $5 bills with us, so we can easily tip those porters and those bartenders and just those people that really go out of their way to make sure you have a nice vacation. So we're going to take care of that, and then we're going to go home. We're going to throw some clothes in a suitcase. Mom's going to finish up her crickets and her duck tags and her all that. And tomorrow, we board the Oasis of the Seas.
Yay!
We'll see you on the seas.
See you on the seas.